Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm gonna give you a quick overview of this Garmet bag and why it's different. So this is what it would look like fully opened all the way down. The first call out on this is unlike some other garment bags where your long garments, let's just say, don't fit. This one's a little bit different. This has a total fitment all the way at the top to all the way at the bottom of 48 inches. So 48 inches in total length. The inside width is about 20 inches. So that kind of gives you an idea of size-wise of garments. What's really cool though is that this will fold up. So you can put the full length in, fold it up once, and fold it up twice. So some garment bags just fold down halfway, but they don't have this extra extension, or because they do fold halfway, they're just much longer. So this is a little bit more compact. And when it is folded up, it's only about 20, 21-ish inches in total height. Up close, you have a built-in hardware. So this is not plastic under here. This is like a chrome metal, stainless steel metal. And this is where your regular hangers would go. That would go in here. Then you not only have one, two, but you have three of these buckles. And so when you have your garments hanging in there, this kind of keeps it all nice and secure. So if you open it up, it just, just keeps it nice. It just keeps it nice, which is obviously the goal with a garment bag. You do have some zipper pockets here. So you have a mesh one, and then you have a second one behind it. You also have a third one over here. So if this was going to be like a full-blown travel bag, you could put like toiletries and stuff in here and keep it all nice and neat. The dimension on this pocket's about 6.5 by 6. And the larger one's about 6.5 by about 8.5 on both sides. And they have like this nice chrome hardware. Is pretty nice, actually. Pretty nice. This material here has sort of I would say a water resistant type material. So just in case you're out in the elements, this is a second layer built in that's going to keep your stuff nice and dry. It also comes with zipper here, so everything can be zipped up and secured all nice and neat inside. On the bottom, when this is flipped up, you also have additional storage. So this whole section down here is also storage, and you're looking at roughly, with the inside dimension, about 13 inches by about 19.5, 20 inches on the inside for additional storage. It does come with a hanger that can also serve as the hanger of the whole garment bag with this built-in clip. This is like a heavy gauge, hard plastic. On the outside, when this is all folded up, this is like a hard canvas style material. Very, I would say, durable. The top has a handle to carry it like this. It could also be buttoned up with the secured leather button strap. Also has a over-the-shoulder strap just from a convenience, and this can be adjusted. This is optional, can be unbuckled. The outside also has additional storage, so you have a zipper pouch here. The outside has additional storage that will allow you to either unzip from this side or this side, and that's kind of convenient because let's just say you are packing and you keep this zip shut, you're putting stuff in here, you're zipping it shut, but then you open this up and it's actually upside down, you can access it and everything doesn't fall out. So you're not trying to access something when this is upside down because it's folded open. Another cool feature is that these two pockets actually serve as a way to have your polling luggage hold it. It just slides right over that. So then if you don't want to carry this and you have something you're rolling, you can have it all nice and neat and keep it all as one big piece. Another, just a little shout out to the company from a over engineering standpoint. Sometimes things that have zippers, right where the zippers come together, they can come apart and the zipper no longer works. To prevent the failure of the zipper, they've added this leather feature here that kind of seals that in and just makes it a little bit more less prone to, let's just say, damage. On the reverse side, you have additional storage with the zipper opening of about 15 inches wide. And then inside, you also have additional pouches. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pouches. These actually look to be sort of a design where they could be holding like pins or something that's like in the shape of a pin. Just so like from a briefcase type work environment standpoint, you can have those nice and neat. And this also looks to be sort of water resistant inside. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me, said, Ryan, give us an honest review. Tell us what you think about our Garmet bag. And I will say, this is a little bit over the top in a good way. There are some features on here I've never seen before, as mentioned, and the construction of this is really on point. I am, let's just say, pleasantly surprised. I wasn't expecting it to be this nice. I usually don't say that, but definitely from a Garmet bag standpoint, convenience, the fold out feature, and just the way it's constructed, I got to give it, I got to give some shout outs to the company for this. Hopefully this answered all your questions, and we'll talk to you soon.